Thanks for joining me while I make the best vegan honey using parsley. The full recipe is below and on my blog www.wartimecookery.com. Please like, share and subscribe and click the notifications if you'd like more tasty recipes. Right, here we go. So the first thing you're going to do is chop up 5 ounces of parsley. Very finely, including all the stalks and everything. And then to that, you're going to add 1.5 pints of water. Bring it to a gentle simmer, give it a good stir. Let all the water evaporate from being 1.5 pints down to about a pint. And it doesn't need to be absolutely accurate. Just look and see if you can measure 1/3 off. And then you're going to strain it and add the sugar. I had to strain mine twice because I got some parsley dropped in there, which you'll see. But I strained it again and add the sugar. All nice and clear. I decided to use brown sugar. In this case I used demerrara sugar to give a nice sort of golden colour to the honey. At this point you have to keep stirring it very, very frequently. The first 5 or 10 minutes aren't as vital as the last 10 minutes where it begins to thicken up, and you don't want to be making toffee. Then we're going to add, after 20 minutes total boiling and it's thickened, I'm going to add 1/2 teaspoon of vinegar, and it will froth up a bit more, so make sure you've used a big enough pan. Pour it into sterilised jars. Put the honey into the fridge overnight, and the next day it'll have all gelled up, be nice and thick, just like real honey. The consistency is amazing. It's really simple and it tastes amazing. It spreads beautifully. You'll see I'm a bit of a mess, and drop it on my plate there. Get a good spread and you'll see it spreads just like honey. And do check out my blog www.wartimecookery.com, and please like, share and subscribe and click notifications if you'd like even more tasty recipes. Thank you, bye.